MSE was almost like similar. In this case, it was similar as well. For the fourth field, it was a little bit different. Now here, actually, it really depends like where we want to actually stop our algorithm. Now I would like to show you the video. Like these are the steps how actually everything works. So everything was coded in MATLAB. We have a bunch of like functions, definitions. So we first open the file. We get the data. I'm sorry, actually. So we load the data, then we trim the data because we don't want the repeated measurements. Then we smooth it, scale it, and then we do some graphs. So here we can also have the side view, top view, the other views. Then we can have some histograms, like to see the frequency response and those kind of things. These are the neighborhood analysis and the ranked clusters, and the algorithm is actually started here. So it's actually doing everything in real time. The cluster is growing, and it's going to terminate at the end of the final center that it found. And then actually we run the k-midwide for comparison. So we're running it 10 times. And then after that, we can actually see the difference between, like, we can compare the results. And then actually, if I just wanted to compare, like, how we actually did it. So here we could see like group of 9 points for the red and for the green, and like, they're together. And for that field, actually, it just like deleted like 3 different regions. But here we could actually see that there are 3 different regions, but there are like many locations of that. So in summary, I would like to say, neighborhood search approach. We call our algorithm as neighborhood search approach. It demonstrates well on a single dimensional solved attribute data set. The MSEs are relatively similar as compared to k-midwide clustering algorithm for 4 different fields. And we look forward to revise our algorithm so that it can accommodate more than one-dimensional SOAL attribute. So we want to also include like other SOAL attributes now. The software that I showed you was the beta version, so it's not like completely tested. So we want to like do some more testing on it. And I would like to acknowledge Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council of Canada Discovery Grant Program for their financial support. I would like to also acknowledge Dr. Richard Ferguson and University of Nebraska Lincoln Research Team for providing the field data. And thank you for your attention.
Okay, we have time for a couple of questions.